Is that your way of saying let me in? You want back in? Okay, here we go. There you go, Bill. Would you like to come in, sir? Yeah. Okay. Okay. See, the bell works. Well, hello there, good people. Hi, it's Jason here at Green Country Agroforestry. It's early in March, and it's nice and warm and sunny, and just about past the risk of frost here in northeastern Oklahoma, zone 7A. And so we're going to start planting our corn. What are we planting? Well, let me show you. This is Oklahoma's native corn. Big horse spotted corn is what it's called. And it comes in all different colors. We have white speckled with purple, a mixture of purple and white. Perhaps you're more in the mood for more predominantly dark purple. Some of these fade towards more blue. Of course, you can go all the way dark on purple to the point where you've got black. Yeah, isn't that nice? Black and shiny. Of course, then we've got your reds. And those reds sort of fade at the other end to red and speckled, just like that. So we have all different genes in these. And the thing you're looking for whenever you're trying to develop a landrace of corn is a lot of genetic diversity. So we have all of the, well, not necessarily all, but most of the original corn genome right here in the palm of my hand. And we're going to convert this into a packet of seeds that we can send out to you guys, and you can also start working on your own specific landrace for your area based upon a complex genome like big horse spotted corn. Let's get started preparing the ground. I'm going to show you how we're going to do that without a tractor, hand tools only. It's not that hard. Let's get started on that. All right, now it's time for us to start plowing our field here. I've got a Warreno, that's this device here, and this is the only tool I'm going to use to cultivate. When I first started out, I double dug this area, then I moved on to using deep mulch to cover. Well, now it's fairly easy to work. All I need to do is rip the top open with the Warreno like so. And that creates a furrow. I move the hoe over, get it started, drag it forward, just like so. There you go. Rip that furrow, just like that. And now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I go alternate rows, I'm going to do 5 rows of corn here. And in just a short amount of time, hi duckies, in just a short amount of time we have okay, where are we at? Can you see me all right? There we go. Wow, that black was magnificent, wasn't it? Because I have an ample supply of seeds, I can get away with sowing way too many per row and then thinning them out to the strongest plants. And hey, guess what? I have plenty of seed left over. If you'd like big horse spotted corn seeds, shop for it at greencountryagroforestry.com or check the link below. These are Cherokee Trail of Tears black beans. They're a pole bean, and they can be eaten as a green bean or they can be dried and shelled and eaten as a black bean, like in your chili, stew, etc. Nice stuff. And of course, they make a great companion for corn. Seeing as we planted the corn in alternate rows, find some beans. Alright, good people, as the sun's going down on us here in northeastern Oklahoma, we're turning the sprinklers on. Having got all of our seeds planted for the day, we're going to let everything get soaked in good today and rotate our sprinklers all the way across from back there, and we'll work around up here to the corn patch also before we're all done. That's all I got for you today, good people. If you found the video informative or entertaining, you know what to do. I will catch you later. Till then, get out there, get growing.